honestly, this road is a bit weird here, but on the right way. The road map of my GPS didn't really line up with the ghost town. Maybe, who knows what's going on there. The situation is this: the landscape is not bad, but can barely see anything because of the bushes left and right. And then it's a forest, and then yeah, it's just like this. So, but it's pretty nice to ride here. The road condition is okay, mostly, but not okay. There are so many cracks, but it's still, with this motorcycle, it's really nice to ride this. So actually, I wanted to say nah, no, but somehow it's yes, you know. Nothing to see, condition of the road, questionable. Okay, here we got a bit of a view, but we got bushes, so no view. There's always sometimes a fraction of a second with the view, and then it's the next. It's gone. And I'm not riding that fast. It's mostly below like low 80. Wow, big rocks on the road. After the service, the motorcycle is so much louder. It's like a deeper end sound. I don't know where this comes from. I'm using earplugs because I don't like it too noisy. I mean, the wind noise from the helmet is also noisy. After a while, it's relatively annoying for me. Other people might love it. Triumph is not necessarily known for quiet cycles, motorcycles. Finally, we got a bit of a view here. Okay, here we got a bit of a landscape change. I think landscape is the wrong word for this. It looks different. Let's just say it like this. The road also different here with potholes. You know what? It's 25 degrees only. That is so good here. Well, I feel almost cold. I know it sounds stupid, but it is. Not stupid, I mean cold. Oh, it's so enjoyable. Only 120 kilometers left, so we made half of it now. 50%. I arrived at this camping ground that Peter from yesterday suggested, and they do have space for me and my hammock or tent or whatever I want, that I can stay wherever I want. So yeah, I'll try to find a nice spot. Oh, that looks actually quite good here. Oh, but I still don't know yet how. Maybe over there is better? These trees are closer. Good, I will set up my things, and then there's a supermarket nearby, 10 minutes walking, where I will get some food later. Or maybe a restaurant, depending on the price. And the availability of whatever food they have that I like to eat. Hammock is done. Whoop. I selected another place. It's a bit shaded here. Shaded. I try to remember what I eat today because I'm really hungry. And then I couldn't. Reason is I did not eat anything at all today and I really need to get to the supermarket today. No, now. Urgently. I heard there's a 10 minutes walking distance supermarket and wow. I need money, I need my wallet. Wallet, okay. My brain doesn't really work anymore because I'm so hungry. Food. Fast. Yo, I think they have everything that I need. I need to pack the camera on my back because I need both hands. With the food, veggie over there and other stuff everywhere else. So, over and out. Sometimes listen to strangers' suggestions. Yeah, it's a really great beach there in Albania, South Albania. Yeah, if you pay. The supermarket here is just 10 minutes away, just walk, no problem. Yeah, under the boiling sun, 10 minutes. Walking is a very long 10 minutes. It's right near the next ocean here. And there are people swimming. But I don't need that, I have a pool. So I got all my groceries here. Heavy. I bought a tiny watermelon for €1 or so. Yeah, bread, tomato, and red onion. Yeah, that's all. Oh, juice. Smoothie. So I'm almost back. I will eat and then I'll jump into the pool. Oh, I first jump in the pool, eat then. Meanwhile, the herbs mix can yeah, I will prepare first. That's a good idea. I will prepare, then I will swim, and then I will eat. Okay, let's do this. It's so hot in the sun. Oh. Good morning. New day, new day tour. I'll be picked up by Peter so he will call me in 1 or 2 minutes. Then we are heading off for a day tour. Then some of this friends or so to a boat. So that's what I understood. And halfway I will hop off and go to Athena tomorrow. Morning. And so I need to pay now first. Hopefully there is already someone that can't let it wait for me. That's the day tour. Kalamata is on morning. I didn't quite understand the entire tour, but it doesn't matter. I just follow. Today is also something that I haven't done for quite some time, to follow others. Doesn't look like someone is here. And this annoys me a lot. No one there. Oops. How to pay now? When you haven't called, I still got bit times, but I need to pay. I don't want to get fined or so. These animals are so loud, so noisy. Can you actually hear? Guess this. Wow. No one there. Okay, I will get my motorcycles done, ready to leave anyway. Then I will wait there until Peter calls, and then I will leave and call the Kentingon later for how to pay. It's bad, really bad. It is so noisy here from these animals. I'm using earplugs because it's really bad. Even with earplugs it's loud. However, conclusion of the day, we started 45 minutes late. So the travel partner arrived here. This is Peter and the other, I forgot the name, so sorry. finally riding with another Triumph Tiger guy here. Let's see how it turns out. I think it seems a bit far, the tour that he suggested, but there will be a point where we have a coffee break or so later this evening, and from there I will go to Athena, with Greece, how they call it, Athena, and he will go back to this town here. And I need to plug my phone for electricity. The 8:30. Then we were rushing highway, avoidable. So we are now 1 hour on the road, almost. And I think I figured out why we can make this distance today. This is because I'm not used to ride in a 3 digits range of my speedometer here. Yeah, I believe that these speed limits in Greece are just suggestions or recommendations. So don't look at that. Don't look at that sign. There was only one part that was kind of nice, which is the coastal road. And later through a bit of the mountain. Hello, we got one more biker here now. And we got countryside roads. And we got finally a good view. And we arrived to drop him, I forgot the name, Peter's friend off. We arrived in Astros to drop off, forgot the name.
Peter's friend.
Peter's friend. Dassos, yeah, Peter's friend. It's a nice town here. We arrived in the town. I didn't pay attention what town this is because I was not prepared. But there's the next break, or half hour later or so, after 30 minutes riding.
And there's a castle here.
Yeah.
There's a if you stay here, you'll see many things here. It's a nice view.
What's the name here?
Nafplio.
Nafplio.
Λάστριο. Ότι εδώ πάνω
Ναι.
είχαν φυλακίσει τον Κολοκοτρώνη.
And a legend of Kolokotroni. He was in jail up where?
Hero.
National hero.
Βέλγινο Πάμε με Νησάνικο. Με Νησάνικο, το λεπτό της Βενετίας. Το βλέπεις, είναι αυτό. Αυτό που υπήρχε εδώ, ήταν Βενετσιάνικο. Venetian.
Venetian.
Ah,
Right.
And then they left and I left. So. The day was, other than meeting new people and seeing the two kind of cute towns, I won't say wasted, but kind of not fulfilling, I would say. Maybe that's the best word. But I think I would have been better on my own today. Just alone, no highway, not being late. Yeah, anyway, I would say good night. I eat already. I have water, did a bit of shopping. Yeah, that's all for today. Good night. Okay, I will swim. I will swim, okay. Cannot not swim in this when I have a camping ground here near. Okay. When I have an ocean near the camping ground, that's correct thing. By the way, that's the camping spot here. I just turn on the camera. Because a restaurant there, and there's water here. And Netherlands people there, and oven there. Over there can rent these sunbeds and umbrellas. Oh, colder than expected.